Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for a Shiatsu massage therapist business. So let's suppose I'm running massage therapist business and I'm receiving many queries and messages on my WhatsApp. I was manually replying to all of the queries and this was consuming a lot of my time. So I'm completely going to automate this process. And to do this automation, I'm going to create a WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. With the help of this WhatsApp chatbot, when I'm going to create this WhatsApp chatbot and when a user sends me a message, automatically the reply will be sent to that user. And with the help of this integration which I've created with the help of Pabbly Connect, all the details sent by the user will be automatically saved to my Google Sheets. Now, if you want to learn the step-by-step process, then let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we are going to learn how to create WhatsApp chatbot for your Shiatsu massage therapist business. For this, I have created this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, and now we are going to test this WhatsApp chatbot once, whether it is working fine or not. For that, I am going to open my WhatsApp, and here I am going to send some message, and let's wait for the reply. So here it has sent me this message. Hi, welcome to VK Massage, your trusted Shiatsu massage therapy center. How can I assist you today? If I click on this book appointment, it is going to ask me a few questions and book my appointment. If I click on this ask a question, it is going to send me what do I want to know about. If I click on this about Shiatsu, it is going to send me some details. If I click on this pricing, it is going to send me some pricing information. If I click on this therapist info, it is going to send me the details of the therapist. Now, if I click on this location and then contact, it is going to send me all the details. If I click on this call us, it is going to provide me with the contact information. And if I click on this book appointment, it is going to ask me the question. Now, if I answer all these questions, those questions will be automatically added to my Google Sheets spreadsheet. So let's try this once. I'm going to enter. So it is asking me what massage therapy do I prefer. I'll go with this full body Shiatsu. I'm going to send this message. Let's wait for the next question. It is asking me for the slot. I'll go with this evening. It is asking my name. I'm going to enter my name. I'm going to send this message. Let's wait for the reply. It is going to ask me about my email address. I'm going to enter my email address. I'm going to send this message and I am going to receive the reply. Thank you for reaching out. We have received your request and will get back to you shortly. So here I have added automatically all these details to my Google Sheets spreadsheet as I have entered all these answers. I'm going to open my spreadsheet. So here I have received all the details. The massage was full body Shiatsu. Slot was this, name was this, email address was this. So this is how this WhatsApp chatbot is going to run, and now to learn how to create this, let's start creating this from the beginning. In this video, we are going to see how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your Shiatsu massage therapist business. For this, I have created this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. And to visit Pabbly Chatflow, we simply need to write www.pabbly.com/chatflow in the browser. And now after browsing this website, we need to sign into our Pabbly Chatflow account. On the top right corner, you can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on this sign in, and if you are a new user, click on this sign up for free. As I'm an existing user, I'll go with the sign in. And here all Pabbly apps page has appeared, which is showing me all the Pabbly applications. I'm going to click on this Pabbly Chatflow Access Now. And it has taken me towards this dashboard where I will be able to find the credit allotted, credit consumed, credit remaining, and the WhatsApp number added. If you want to learn how you can create your own Pabbly Chatflow account, simply click on this add WhatsApp number. You can connect your WhatsApp number with the help of this button, WhatsApp Connect, or you can use a manual token to create your own Pabbly Chatflow account. Here I have already created my Pabbly Chatflow account, and if you want to learn the step-by-step process of how you can create this account, then please visit our YouTube channel. Now over here, this is the app dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, and this gives the overview of all the activities, insights and performance metrics. On the left hand side where we can see all these options, I'm going to go towards this inbox, which is the central place to manage and reply to customer conversation. We have this contacts, which manage your lead customers and their details. We have the team queues, which assign and manage incoming chats among team members. We have the templates, which create and manage reusable message templates for campaigns. We have this broadcast, which send bulk message to selected contacts or segments. We We have this flows which build automated chatbot workflows and conversation sequences. We have this AI assistant which use AI tools to auto-generate replies, content or suggestion. We have this activity log which track all the activities in your Pabbly Chatflow account. We have the settings which helps us configure account integration and preferences. On the left hand side, the final option was of get help, which help us access the support FAQs or contact the help desk. Let's move back towards the app dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, and to create a WhatsApp chatbot on the left hand side I have this option of flows. So let's open this flows, and here we have landed towards this flow builder. You can see the total flows, active flows, inactive flows, all the flows which I have created. And to create a new flow, you simply need to click on this add flow button. So let's open this. And here we have landed towards this page. Now before we start creating this chatbot, let's quickly name this to WhatsApp chatbot for your Shiatsu massage therapist business. And now I need to go through all the options and buttons on the left hand side. So here under the messages, we have this text button and media button which helps us send text message and images, videos, audios or documents. We have the list which helps us provide the options. We can send the catalog message, single product message, multiple product message according to the choice and preference, and we can use these buttons. Template is a pre-designed message format which includes text, images, buttons and links. Under the action, we have the condition which helps us branch the flow. We can ask the address, location or any question and set that to the contact custom field. We can ask them to upload the media. We can set the custom field. We can add tag to segment the user. We can use this API request to send or retrieve the data from external APIs to enhance this chatbot functionality. And we can connect the flow from one flow to another. So now we are done with understanding all the buttons. Let's quickly start creating this WhatsApp chatbot. Before start creating this WhatsApp chatbot, I have to trigger this. And to trigger this, we have to enter the keywords and the regex. I'm going to enter some commonly used keywords like hello, hey and hi. Hello, press enter. Hey, press enter. Hi, press enter. You can also enter the keywords of the product and the services which you are offering, like the massage, therapist, business, something like that. And that particular word is going to trigger your WhatsApp chatbot when sent by the user. Here I'm going to enter the regex like. So we have to make sure that we enter the regex in the same format, and this particular pattern is going to trigger my WhatsApp chatbot. Here regex is like a smart search tool that helps chatbot identify patterns in user messages. So instead of manually listing out every possible keyword, you can define rules to match different variation of words or phrases. You can either use keywords or you can either use regex or you can use both. I'm for now going to use regex to trigger this WhatsApp chatbot, and now that we have triggered this or activated this, we need to send the next message. Over here you can see in my WhatsApp, as I've sent the message, I received the next message. So how I was able to receive this, for that I'm going to click on the circle, drag and drop the circle, and from my content type I'm going to select this as text plus button and enter my message. Over here you can see that I was able to send a text which was bold. So how I was able to do this, I put star in the front or in the beginning of the sentence and in the end of that sentence, and with the help of this I was able to bold the text. Now I'm going to enter the button. If I click on this WhatsApp chat, you can see I received this message, and under these messages I have the buttons. So I'm going to click on this add button, and with the help of this I'm going to create the buttons and messages for these. So I'm quickly going to create all the buttons like. So here I have received this message. So here I have created the buttons, and I'm going to create the messages for each of these buttons. The first button is book appointment, second is ask a question, third is location and contact. So here I'm going to follow the same process. I'm going to drag and drop this, and from my content type I'm going to select the button. You can select the button. If you want to upload any media, you can select this. If you want to provide more option, you can select the list. If you want to send a single product, you can use this button. I have already explained you all the content type. I am quickly going to complete this flow once. So here I have created all the messages and buttons. The first one was of book appointment. I have created a message in which I have asked the question. For this, I have simply drag and drop this ask question, entered my question, and then selected the contact custom field. Here it is important to understand that whenever we are asking the question, we have to select the contact custom field, and then we have to select the format for that. Over here, I have selected my contact custom field as answers. I have created a question in which I am asking them about the massage which they want. And when they answer me, it gets saved in this answer contact custom field. And then I have selected my format as any, because there could be number or there could be text. I have similarly followed the same process and asked 4 more questions, the slot, their name and the email address, and I have sent all these details with the help of this API request to my Google Sheets spreadsheet. Now here, what's up with this contact custom fields? Let's first go through this. On the left hand side where you can see all these options, so I'm going to click on the settings and open the contact custom field. And here I have landed towards this contact custom field. If I scroll down, I can see all the fields which I've created. If you want to create a new field, simply click on this add more field, and then you can create more fields, and then you simply need to click on this save. Here I have created the field, and I have created the field for this answer. So it is interesting to know that if I click on this copy, contact custom field, copy to clipboard and paste that to a message. Let's suppose I'm going to enter that over here to this message. So this will help me create a dynamic or a personalized message, and whatever my customer is going to answer me, it gets saved in the contact custom field and start reflecting over in my messages with the help of this dollar and the contact custom field. I hope this is clear to you. So here I have asked all the question, I have selected and created the contact custom field for each of the question, and then I have selected the format, and then I send that to my Google Sheets spreadsheet. Now for that, what I have done, I have opened Pabbly Connect workflow. In my trigger application, I have taken webhook by Pabbly. In my trigger event, I have select catch webhook, and then I have copied this webhook URL and paste that webhook URL over here. I have selected my API request to be post, and then I have created all the questions field. First, I have asked them about the massage, then I've asked them about the slot, then I've asked them about their name and their email address, and then I have selected all the contact custom field from this drop down, and then I've simply clicked on this test. The data was sent to my Pabbly Connect workflow, and then I have make sure that I have saved this. If I do not save this, the flow will start showing invalid. So here I have sent this, and as soon as I do that, I have received the response. I have added all the details to my Google Sheets spreadsheet. I have took my action application as Google Sheets, and then I have selected my spreadsheet, and then I have mapped all the data by simply clicking on this webhook by Pabbly and select the response. So here, after this integration, I was able to send all the data which I have received from my WhatsApp to my Google Sheets spreadsheet. And as soon as I send all the data, I have sent them this message. Thank you for reaching out. We have received your request and get back to you shortly. So this was the message for this book appointment. The second one was of ask question, in which I have asked them what question do they have about Shiatsu, the pricing or the therapist info. When they're going to click on this, I'm going to send them the details. When they click on this pricing, I'm going to send the pricing information. When they click on this therapist info, I'm going to send this message. And finally, when they click on location or contact, I'm going to send them the location, and I'm going to ask them, would you like to call us or book an appointment? If they click on this call us, I'm going to send them the contact information. And if they click on this book appointment, I'm going to send this message in which I'm going to ask them the question and book their appointment. And now after creating this WhatsApp chatbot, we have to make sure that we have toggle on this active button. If we keep this flow inactive, the messages won't be sent. So the button is toggled on, and then we have saved this flow. If we do not save the flow, the messages will be lost. So here we have successfully created a WhatsApp chatbot for your Shiatsu massage therapist business. If you have any doubts or queries, you can comment down the video below. And you can stay tuned to our channel for learning more such interesting WhatsApp chatbot automation. I hope you liked this video and understood this video very well. Thanks for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you have any questions, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit the website given over here. Also, you can try Pabbly Chatflow for 100% free and create your own WhatsApp chatbot.